Hey guys, this is Akshaj Tips, and in this video you'll be creating a Twitter bot that retweets and likes tweets which contain a specific hashtag, okay? But before we start, if you guys like this video, make sure to like this video. So let's begin a video. So to create a Twitter bot, you had to first have access to Twitter API. So Twitter API basically gives us access to features like retweeting tweets, liking tweets, following users and unfollowing users. So to access Twitter API, you have to first go to developer.twitter.com and then click apply option. So then Twitter will ask you some questions like why are you applying for this API and how will you use this API, okay? You have to answer to those questions honestly and don't be a joke, okay? So once you get access to Twitter API, in my case I already have access to Twitter API, okay? So once you have access to Twitter API, you have to go to apps and then click create app. So basically an app gives us a set of authentication keys which we will use later in our program, okay? So first you have to type our app name. I'll type it this space bot, and application description I will type this app retweets retweets and likes I forgot and retweets and likes with that contain specific hashtag. Okay, between 10 to 200 characters. Okay, next you have to tick this box and then you have to provide our URL. I'll type studentlifeoverloaded.blogspot.com, and I have to copy this and paste it here, and let's move. Tell us how this app will be used. So this app will be used for reading and liking tweets that contain specific hashtag. Okay. So, let's leave it like that. Okay. Yeah, actually it is giving an error. The error is this name is already in use, okay? So we have to change this, okay? I'll type it space bot Akshaj. Actually the name doesn't matter, okay? My spelling is not that, it's Akshaj. Yeah. Okay, it's okay. So next, let's start programming, okay? So first, you have to import Tweepy. It's Tweepy, okay? Tweepy. I can't pronounce it. Okay. So Tweepy basically helps us to access our Twitter API, okay? So once you type this import Twitter API, you have to go to the documentation and click getting started. And then you have to copy and paste these codes, okay? So once you have done that, you have to go to Twitter developers website and you have to go to your apps and then click keys and tokens. So here you can see consumer API keys and access token secret keys, okay? So then you have to copy this and paste it here, and then you have to copy this thing, copy and paste it here. Let me enlarge it, okay? So access token and access token secret keys are like your passwords, okay, of an email, okay? So you should not share it to others, okay? If you accidentally showed this to others, you have to click regenerate. So first you have to generate, okay? Copy this and paste this, and let's copy this and sorry I had to do this mistake, okay? And paste this same, okay? So okay, so once you have done this, so I mean as I said before, if you accidentally showed this to others, you have to click regenerate, okay? So next let's create a list of hashtags that you want to retweet, okay? I'll type it black hole interstellar, and it's a great movie, bro. I just watched it a few days before. Okay, white hole, and let's just remove it. I don't need that. Point of singularity, okay? Point of singularity. okay. So next we have to create a for loop which returns a list of tweets that contains these hashtags, okay. So to do that, we have to loop through these hashtags, okay. So first let's create a for loop for hashtag in hashtags, and let's for tweet in api.search. Let's give the query as the hashtag and the count which is specified as 5, okay. So next let's print tweet, okay, tweet.text. So tweet.text basically uses the text format of those tweets, okay. So when you run this, okay, yeah, it will give us the tweets, okay. So as you can see, this tweet contains black hole, okay. It also contains black hole. Let's see another hashtag. It should have another hashtag. Let's just ignore those, okay. So another method that can be used with tweet is tweet.id, okay. So tweet.id gives us the ID of the tweet, okay. So next what we want to do is liking the tweet and retweeting the tweet. So to do that, we have to print api.retweet, and we should give the ID, okay, ID also. And if you go to api.reference and click status methods, you will see that api.retweet is also present here, okay. Retweets a tweet, replace the ID of the tweet you are retweeting, okay. So actually we have given the ID here. So next, like this tweet. So to like this tweet, you have to type api.create favorite, okay, create favorite, okay. And we have to give the tweet ID, okay, ID. So let's run our program. Hope this works. Yeah, it's retweeting, okay. So you have already retweeted this tweet, so you may get this error, okay. So we had to make it try and accept, okay, accept exception as error, okay, print error, okay. So next, when you run these tweets, let's see, you already this, okay. So as you can see, when I refresh my account, 2 tweets turned into 14 tweets, okay. So you can see I have retweeted the tweet and it contains, where is it, space, okay, it contains the space hashtag, and I have also liked this tweet, okay. When I scroll down, you can see it contains space hashtag and it also liked the tweet, okay. And yeah, it's like that. But actually there is a problem. So here is the thing, okay. So when you run this program hits the Twitter server. So if you keep on hitting the Twitter server, it will cost you money, okay. So Twitter then gives us an error called rate limit error. So rate limit error basically means that we have reached our limit of running our programs, okay. So then we have to wait 5 or 15 minutes and then run it again, okay. So to prevent the rate limit error, we have to wait a few minutes, okay. So to do that, we have to import time, and then we have to add time.sleep, okay. I'll add it 360, okay. So that's 6 minutes, okay. So now when you run this, let me print and tweet retweeted let me print tweet liked, okay. So when you run this program again, oh, okay, here you can see tweet retweeted, and yeah, here we have got this, okay guys. So now let's refresh it. You can see it's 14 tweets, okay. Now when you retweet it, you'll see that it turned into 15 tweets. Okay, wait a minute. So that's it guys, hope you guys like this video. I mean, it's a simple video, okay? It's a simple and short video, okay? Make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? So see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Akshaj Tech Tips signing off.